How to connect n8n with Typeform. To do that, first head over to your n8n workflow and click on this plus icon that will appear. Once you're in there, click onto the search node and search right here for Typeform. Here we have the Typeform trigger. You can just proceed to use it right there. Now to connect those two, just click onto this select credential option that will appear. Click onto this create new. And in here, you can choose between two options. You can either add right here your access token, or you can also choose the OAuth. Using OAuth will give you right here this redirect URL. You just need to copy this and then prompt it for the OAuth callback. You can also input right here client ID, client secret, and the likes. So the easiest way is just ask for the access token. And once you're done, just head over and save this in order to successfully use your Typeform account and connect it with your n8n. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.